Mr. Hattery, good morning, and this is Mark Stanton coming to you from Subaru of Dayton, Tuesday morning, 4th June, and this is the Ascent in cinnamon brown pearl that you were waiting to see with the touring trim. So you have the Java brown interior, and this one is the fully equipped with the mirror that has the camera. You can flip it to a camera instead of a glass mirror. 7-passenger seating. And again, it is the touring. And I believe this is your car. I have put a hold on it for you. Hopefully you can make it out today. And then we'll get this car cleaned up and ready to roll for you. Thanks.